guys, welcome back Genius Education IAS. This is RAMNIWAS, and in today's video we are going to discussing about what is the syllabus of the UPSC examination mains GS paper 1. Okay, there are four papers: GS paper 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we will cover all syllabus respectively 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so let's start GS paper 1. There are relevant features: Indian heritage and culture, history and geography of the world and society. Okay, so let's start. First point is, and guys, don't confuse this and these topics are officially okay. These topics, all topics are official. So let's start. First is Indian culture will cover all the excellent aspect of art forms, literature and architecture from the ancient to modern times. Okay, so that means Indian art and culture, you have to cover up all literature, architecture from ancient to modern. Okay, so at first you should know about UPSC. What kind of questions, what kind of knowledge which UPSC has demanded. Okay, so UPSC demand that you should have to link up all and each other points and topics. Okay, if you know all about these things, then you can easily fight. Okay, so next point is modern Indian history about the middle of the 18th century and until the present, significant events, personalities, issues. So here is history from about the middle of the 18th century until the present, significant events, personalities and issues. So here is decline of the Mughals. What were the causes of the decline of the Mughals and Bengal and Rajputs kingdom, Marathas, and what were the causes of the Battle of Buxar, Battle of Plassey. Okay, and all these things, revolt of 1857. What is the what was the impact of the revolt 1857 on the Indian aspect? Okay, so these are the most important thing. After that, you have to see uh, formation of the Congress in 1885 and what was the goal of the formation of the Congress. Okay, so next point is the freedom struggle, its various stages and important contributions from different parts of the country. So these are most important topics: freedom struggle and various stage important contribution, what were the and who were the contributor for our country for the freedom struggle. So these are most important topics which you have seen. Okay, so next is post independence consolidation and recognition within the country. That means post independence, that means after the 1947, and what was the condition of India economically, and what were the 5-year plans, what was the impact of 5-year plans on Indian economy, and etc. So these are most important and salient features, salient aspects about the India which you have can see. Okay, so next is history of the world and includes events from 18th century such as industrial revolution. Okay, industrial revolution, world wars, world war first, world war second, and what were the what were the causes of the world war first and second. Okay, and what was the impact of the world war first and second on all over world like Germany. Okay, and other. Next, withdrawal of national boundaries, colonization, decolonization, political philosophies like communalism, capitalism, socialism, and etc. Socialism, like socialism in Europe, and about this socialism in Europe, in this there is French Revolution, and there was Russian Revolution, Rousseau, Okay, so Hitler who related to the Germany. So these are the most important topics which you have to see. Okay, so next is salient features of Indian society, diversity of India. So let's see unity in diversity. Okay, so unity in diversity form like India. India is university in diversity. There are several languages, there are several feeding system, there are several societies. Okay, so next is role of women and women's organization, population and associated issues, poverty, and the developmental issues, urbanization, their problems and their remedies. So guys, this point is most important, role of women and women's organization, because there is mentioned women. Okay, women's organization, population, and what was the cause and what were the causes of the poverty in India, and right now what is the causes of the poverty in India. Okay, why India is developing country, why USA is developed country. So what was the reason and what is the reason? Okay, now current and the developmental issues, urbanization, their problems and their remedies. So these are most important topics. Okay, so in the next there is effects of globalization on Indian society. Important, and all things are important, and these topics are mentioned here. These all relevant for your GS paper 1. Okay, so next is social empowerment, communalism, regionalism and secularism, and because India is a secular and sovereign country. Okay, so regionalism, secularism, communalism, these points are very important for your relevant examination GS paper 1. Okay, so next is salient features of world physical geography. So from here there is start geography. Okay, we have covered up art and culture, history of the India and history of world. Now here start is geography. So salient features of world's physical geography. So please remember it. Okay guys, so listen carefully. You have to command on map. Okay, what I say, you have to command on map. This is most important thing. Okay, without map you cannot good score in your GS paper 1. Okay, so next is distribution of key natural resources across the world, including South Asia and the Indian subcontinent, and the factors responsible for the location of the primary, secondary and tertiary sector industries in various parts of the world including India. So like uh, what is the cause of at the particular space and particular place there is location of the industry, and what is the cause? There is many features like water, fresh water, land, location of the land. Okay, and temperature, what is the atmospheric pressure, and raw material also. Okay, so which you can see these are most important topics. Next is important geophysical phenomena such as earthquakes, tsunami, volcanic eruption, cyclonic, and etc. Okay, geographical features and their location change in the critical geographical features, including water bodies and ice caps. And you have to know about the what is the cause, what is the reason that particular ice caps and that particular water bodies, and what is the climate of that particular point is here present here. What were the causes and what are the causes of it, and what is the reason behind it? Okay, which you can do and which you can see this. Okay, so next is and in flora and fauna and the effects of such changes. Okay, so evergreen forest, what is the cause of the evergreen forest located near the 0 degree, near the equator, and So etc. These are most important topics which you have can see, and which you have to see all topics. These topics are very very important for your GS paper 1, for your mains examination of UPSC. Okay, so best of luck, and in the next part we'll cover GS paper 2 syllabus. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, let's meet in next video.